guys, we have not been in this location before. Today we're going to be opening another Minion Popsicle. We might do a different Minion. We might do a different Popsicle next time. So let's get into it. This is actually my little surgery. We're going to be filming a few videos in the vlogs now. So let's see. What? I've never seen this. What is this? It's in a Minion Popsicle. I'm lying. This is a perfect, what is it called? Track Popsicle. Reindeer Popsicle. This is not perfect. Because if you look, the eyes are not in the right place. Because if you look, you're like, listening in the right place. No, they're not. Look. There. That should be a bit moved along.